Hi everybody, welcome back to Martello Consulting and the IPDACT product from Honeywell. Today we're going to get into some advanced troubleshooting, and for that purpose I'm using an MS9050UD. I am connecting the dialer output through an IPDACT Model 2UD, and you can see I've got it all connected. It is registered already with the visor alarm receiver, our test receiver. But today we're going to do some advanced troubleshooting. So we're going to use a terminal emulator for that. Now my network is set up probably different than yours. I have a 10 dot network, so I'm going to connect to the unit via a different address. But I'm going to use a terminal emulator, and you can download this program called TerraTerm Pro from my website www.martelloconsulting.com. So I'm going to start that up, and it comes up and it says cannot connect via COM3, and I know that to be true, but I'm going to set up a new connection, and this product lets me connect up to over Ethernet called Telnet. And I know my address is 10.10.10.2, so I'm going to go ahead and connect to that. And it's going to come up in a second, ask me for a password. And I know the password on the IPDACT is 24680. So I enter that password, hit enter, and I'm presented with a menu. Now you can also do this through a serial connection, but I chose to go Telnet today. So when I look at this menu, I have a number of different options. You can install the unit, you can look at transmission parameters, do a number of different things. But what I'm going to do today is I'm going to be looking at some other things, including some advanced troubleshooting. So I connected and I selected item A up here. And then when I selected that, I got this other menu. And under miscellaneous, you'll see some things called events. And right now it's looking at all the phone events. Well, I'm going to select some other events. So I'm going to select item F. And it comes up and it shows me a bunch of different options. I'm going to put on all these options. I'm going to select number 2, which is remote monitoring. I'm going to turn that on by selecting 1. And then I'm going to go back to that same thing again, item F again, and I'm going to select item 4, contact ID events, and I'll turn those on. And then I'm going to go back again, and I'm going to select item 8, turn that on, and then one more time, and I'm going to select item 16, and I'm going to turn that on. Now when I've got them all turned on, I'm going to exit this menu, and I'm going to go back to events. When I click on events, I'm going to see everything that's coming across the network. So right now you can see I've got some events that were in there when I first started up. I had a PSTN fail, that's normal, and of course the product's on hook. Now I'm going to generate an alarm. I've got a 101 module in here, so I'm going to generate an alarm on the MS9050UD. And you see it goes active off hook. There's the DTMF calling out the number 12345678890. It's going out to my receiver. There's the contact ID alarm, transmit handshake. You see the new alarm, and that was input number 1. And you can see where I've got the kiss off, and I'm back on hook again. So that was all very, very quick. And you can see my panel is an alarm. And I'm going to go ahead and silence that and then reset it. And that was it. So that's advanced diagnostics. Those diagnostics can tell you a whole lot about what's going on. When I reset the panel, you're going to see the alarm go again, and it's going to send that to the central station. That's the reset. And that's the contact ID for reset. And the panel is back to normal again. So that's it. I hope that helps. Have a great day.